Sometime between the ages of 5 and 15, most of us were shown a picture or maybe a marble bust of a man called William Shakespeare. And we were told that he was the greatest writer in English that ever lived. And sometime between the ages of 15 and 25, we were ordered to read something by William Shakespeare and discovered he wrote in a language that wasn't the English we spoke or found in our daily newspaper. And that was just the beginning of our problems. His characters had funny names like Festi or Goneril, Borachio or Dogberry, and funny jobs like Joiner or Chamberlain. And then there was this long line of kings, all named Henry. So either you decided Shakespeare wasn't for you, or you got real serious and read Elizabethan dramatists from Kidd and Webster to Dekker and Massinger. Either way, whether you're an absolute Shakespeare neophyte or a member of the Brotherhood of Bardolaters, my name is Steve Somer. I'm an Oxford D.Phil Shakespearean, and over 6 weeks we'll read and discuss 6 of Shakespeare's greatest plays and most entertaining, from As You Like It to Twelfth Night to Hamlet. And I promise that if you read the plays and jump into our discussion, you'll come away with fresh insights, engaging ideas, and a new appreciation of the grandeur and delight that is Shakespeare.